Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. This reduces hiccups. First, make sure your iPad has Bluetooth enabled and has enough battery to complete pairing, since low power can interrupt the process. Once done, open the AirPods case with the earbuds inside and hold it next to the iPad, about 1 to 2 feet. You do this because proximity triggers iOS discovery. Now look at your iPad screen. It should show a pairing animation. If you see it, tap Connect to begin. Once you tap Connect, follow the on-screen prompts. These may include consent for features like automatic device switching or Siri. You should also name the AirPods if the prompt appears. This helps identify them later. If a firmware update is suggested, install it. Updates fix bugs and improve stability. After pairing, open Control Center or Settings Bluetooth to confirm the AirPods are listed and set as the audio output. Make sure both left and right show connected. If not, reseat them into the case for a second. To finish, play a short video or record a voice memo to verify audio and microphone function. This confirms both streaming and input work correctly. If the AirPods fail to connect, reset them. With the case lid open, press and hold the back button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. This clears previous pairings. Then, remove the AirPods from the iPad Bluetooth list and repeat pairing. If problems persist, restart the iPad, then try pairing again. That usually resolves lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.